guys, I'm going to another TV video today, taking an in-depth look at Levi Strauss and Corporation. It is an American clothing company known worldwide for its Levi's brand of jeans. It is a pretty big apparel company. I think you probably have heard of it. And yeah, let's start the stock analysis. First, we look at the valuation. The free cash flow yield is standing at an impressive 9.3%. Their price to earnings is less interesting at 26. Their business metrics look pretty good with an return on invested capital of 5.5 and a return on equity of 10.7. Also, the current ratio stands at 1.41, which is really good, suggesting very good short-term liquidity. Next, let's move on to Graham's valuation with their 2025 estimated earnings per share and a 5% projected growth rate. This gives us an intrinsic value of $14.67. Moving on to the discounted cash flow model, putting in a 4.5% growth rate with a 2% perpetual, we get an intrinsic value of $28.89. Their historical multiple has been 22, so they're trading a bit above the historical average. Now moving on to the dividend discount model, I use a 4% growth rate because their uh, DCF growth rate was 4.5%, and I used a smaller growth rate. Also, their payout ratio is really high, so that's why I used the smaller growth rate for the dividend. Next, let's move on to the output. Using the average of all of these three valuations, we get an intrinsic value of $18.94, and applying a 30% margin of safety, we get an intrinsic value which is exactly the same as the current price. So basically, they're trading at a 30% MOS, which is, in my opinion, really good. Now, the big problem with clothing companies is that their brand is very fickle. So one day they can be very popular, but the next it may happen that no one wants to buy their stock. Sorry, they're not the stock, but their clothes, their apparel, and this is a very, very big risk. Now, I personally have invested in the past in Nike and other companies and made money, but beware of this pretty big danger. This has been it for today. Before ending the video, I'd like to point out that we have an affiliate for today, Ticker Data. Ticker Data is the tool I used in this video. So you see this real-time financial data with the ticker symbol and this great template. This is from Ticker Data. The link in the description below. The tool is also pretty cheap, so I suggest you check it out. Also, do not forget to check out my investing blog from the link in the description below, featuring in-depth analysis on diverse topics and stocks. This has been it for today. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.